Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how to create QR code in Canva for free and that too in very short time, that may be less than a minute or so. So all that I ask you is to just hit a like for this video and share it to your friends and relatives so that it will help me somewhat. Okay. To create QR code on Canva, you can open your laptop and browse through canva.com, and I already logged into my account. So if you don't have a Canva account, you need to create, sign up. Okay, see here, once you browse through Canva, you need to click on this drop down design spotlight, and the last option is QR generator. You can also create QR code with other means. I already did a video on that, how you can create QR code with other sources. I'll drop the link in the description, you can check it out. And here you need to click on generate QR code. So this will open another interface where you can create the actual QR code. In this example, I am creating QR code from a website techanswer.com. So I'll copy this URL, whatever the URL may be, copy it and go to the Canva slash your apps QR code. Means I clicked on generate QR code, this web page loaded up. So yeah, see here, this will load up and you can use in existing design or you can use in new design. For now, I'll just use the second option, use in new design, and click on custom size. I'll just give it as 100 pixels width and 100 pixels height. That's enough. Create new design. So this will again load up a new page where I can give the URL address. Yeah, see here, I need to enter the URL. So I'm just pasting the URL what I have copied and click on generate QR code. So this will generate a QR code and will load up here. You can right click this and you can click on copy. And now you can use it on any design you want. You can click on design. You can click on QR code. See, any QR code design you can use. For example, this one. Okay, you can just try to delete this one. So I'll just press on Ctrl V so that my QR gets copied here, pasted here, and this you can save it as your design. You can edit this text, and this is where you can create a QR code on the Canva, and you can click on share and you can share it to the WhatsApp, email, or whatever it may be. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.